Staying healthy while fasting in Ramadan. 6 tips for a rewarding experience. Hello and welcome back to our channel. As we approach the holy month of Ramadan, we want to share some tips on how to stay healthy while fasting. Fasting during Ramadan can be a challenging yet rewarding experience, and it's important to take care of our bodies and minds during this time. Let's get started. Tips for staying healthy while fasting in Ramadan. Tip number 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and fluids during non-fasting hours to stay hydrated. This will help you avoid dehydration and fatigue during the day. Tip number 2. Eat balanced meals. During non-fasting hours, eat balanced meals that include complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. This will help you feel full and energized throughout the day. Tip number 3. Avoid sugary and fatty foods. It's tempting to indulge in sugary and fatty foods during non-fasting hours, but these can cause you to feel sluggish and tired during the day. Instead, choose nutritious foods that will sustain you throughout the day. Tip number 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for your overall health and well-being. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule during Ramadan and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Tip number 5. Exercise. Light exercise during non-fasting hours can help you stay active and energized throughout the day. You can also try gentle stretching or yoga to help you relax and stay focused. Tip number 6. Take breaks. It's important to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. If you feel tired or overwhelmed, take a break and rest. Thank you for watching our video on staying healthy while fasting in Ramadan. We hope these tips will help you have a healthy and rewarding fasting experience. Remember to take care of your body and mind, and to seek medical advice if you have any health concerns. Ramadan Mubarak.